up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. So it's on my favorite female Korean group artist. So long, huh? It's from 21. So the title of the song is I Love You, but this is a Japanese version. Alright? So let's start. Alright, let's start from here. Close feet first. So this is very simple, huh? So it goes like right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cross on 5. Look to your right on 6. Point to the front 7. Look to the front on 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Look, point 8. So this one is like you're gonna bomb it. 8. Next to the right. 1, 2, open on 3, 4. Lift on 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's one more time. So 5, 6, second 8, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, open 3, 4, lift 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's combine first and second. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift 6 and 8. Next, move back. So from here, 7, 8. We'll chain again. 1, punch on 2. Close on 3, open on 4. Back 5, 6. Stay on 7 and 8. One more time from here. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue before we go to the back. So 7 and 8. Simple walk to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So 6, 7, 7, and 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your hips 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy that? Let's start from the beginning. 4, 8. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, 7, 8. 1, pinky, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5. Stop and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, good job. Okay, let's continue. So you end up 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're gonna walk to your right. 1, 2. This is sexy walk, sidewalk. Sidewalk, is it right turn? Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Simple as that. So 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2. Copy? Let's go on. 1 and 2. Right. Closing to your left. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then this is 5 and 6. 7, this time lift on 8. A little bit to your right. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, you're close to your left. So 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Copy? Let's continue. Now from the top first. So 5 from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 8, 1, 2. Back. 6 and 8. 1, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8. So basically 7, 8, and 1, 2. Sorry, and 1, 2. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have one count stay. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so brush back. 1, 2, hug. 3, 4, down on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Continue down 1, close 2, we'll change 3 and 4. Push to the right, 6, go set, bend, 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Remember, put down first. 1, 2, close 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next, let's finish this part. 7, 8. Okay, I go here. Just drop it, both chains on 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. 6, 7, and right, left, right, left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna push on 5, and 6. Flip your hair. 7, close, and U. Yeah, so this is the first part. That's right. Go 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close. 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you. That's I love you. That's you. Okay? Okay, let's start from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. 7, 8. Fast. 2, 3, 4. Lift. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back. 5. Stop. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 5, 6, 7. Lift. 1. Close. Roll. And 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hair. You. Yes. All right. I think last 2 8. I think more than 2 8. So we end up at the 6, 7. I love you. Okay. Then you walk back. 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Simple. And continue. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So, I love you. Walk 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go back 1 and 2. So this is 1 and 2. We'll change 3, 4. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7 and 8. Continue. 7, 8. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1. One more time. So turn 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. Continue. 2, 3, 4. 1 from 5, 6, and 7, 8, and finish. Yes, that's all the choreography. Let's try from the beginning. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 4, 5. Look, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Hop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Slowly. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Point. Cross. 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. And walk. Yeah, good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video. We'll see you next time. We're gonna need to go. Bye bye.